Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset the Samsung Galaxy S9 and unlock its screen lock or password. As you can see, right now the phone I have is locked. So first of all you have to turn your phone off, but when you try to do that your phone doesn't goes off because it will ask you for the screen password. So now what you have to do, you have to restart your device, and while restarting you have to quickly hold the Bixby key, volume up key and the power button together. Keep holding all three keys to boot into recovery mode, just like that. And once you are in recovery, go to factory reset, and from here you can simply hard reset your phone, just like that. And that's it guys, so that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Now you can reboot and your phone is reset. So bye for now.